Bitcoin update, and really nothing has changed. I've been saying expect several weeks of boredom, maybe sideways consolidation. That's still playing out on the weekly. The weekly stochastic RSI is toppy, so you know that if we did go meander sideways or even dip over the next several weeks, that would allow this weekly stochastic to reset. And then now the daily is also starting to get a little top. And here we have the daily chart. It's not, toppity. It could, this indicator could move up a little bit more, but we are sitting on the 20-day EMA. That could be a nice bounce zone. Of course, we'll be on the lookout for a possible double top here situation. If we start losing the 20-day EMA and then start losing the 50-day EMA, then that might tell us, you know, is it a double top? I think 100K still the area to hold. Once we lose the 100K, if that happens, then a lot of downside is possible. So those are all the levels we're keeping an eye on. And to the upside, we'll be looking for a potential dip and rip here on the 20-day EMA. And, if we can break the all-time high at about 112, then, we'll be looking pretty damn bullish. But until that happens, there's a lot of bearish indicators. I think at least, the maybe some sideways consolidation for an extended period of time, which I've been saying now for several weeks now, I think. So that seems like it's playing out. Until and unless I would say we break 112 on the upside or we lose 100K on the downside, this kind of zone is kind of what we're looking at for a while. So, all right, boring. I'm out of here. Bye.